Turning our attention now to the United States, a US Secretary of State has once again reiterated that India has committed not to buy Russian oil. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar said earlier that India has not compromised in its strategic independence. Let's listen into what Marco Rubio said.
Sanctions on Russia's oil. In our conversations with India, we've gotten their commitment to stop buying additional Russian oil. Europe has taken its set of steps moving forward. The Pearl program continues, in which American weaponry is being sold for the Ukrainian war effort. So all these things continue. Nothing has stopped in the interim. So there's no buying of time here in that regard. What we can't answer, but we're going to continue to test, is whether there is an outcome that Ukraine can live with and that
Arzu, my colleague, is still with us. Arzu, now of course, the US Secretary of State has said that he's got a commitment from India to stop, that India will stop buying Russian oil. Meanwhile, the Indian Foreign Affairs Minister has, of course, reiterated India's strategic autonomy.
Well, yes, US Secretary of State Marco Rubio on Saturday said that the Washington has secured a commitment from India to stop buying additional Russian oil, even as the United States continues to tighten the sanctions on Moscow over the Ukraine war. And speaking at the Munich Security Conference, Rubio said that US was pressing ahead with sanctions and the diplomatic efforts while testing whether Russia was serious about ending the conflict. And in our conversation with India, we have gotten their commitment to stop buying additional Russian oil. This is what he stated, outlining a step being taken alongside Europe to sustain pressure on Moscow. So definitely, responding to a question about whether Russia was playing for time in negotiation over the Ukraine, Rubio admitted uncertainty over Moscow's intent. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for sharing those insights with us.